Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. Welcome to another video from Pearson Solution. This time it's of Exp22 Word Chapter 2 ML1 Festival. Let's read the project description. In this project you will use Word to prepare a document promoting an upcoming event. You will format the document including bullets, styles, lines and paragraph spacing. You will add interest by including objects such as picture and word art. So this is the basic summary of our project. This is what we need to do in this assignment or project, whatever it is. It's a capstone assignment or project, whatever it is. Start Word, download and open the file name Exp22 Word Chapter 2 ML1 festival.docx. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. There we go. So this is our main file Exp22 Word Chapter 2 ML1 Festival. Let's start from the step number 2. It is saying that select the first paragraph in the document. Mount Vernon Hot Air Balloon Festival. Okay. Mount Vernon Hot Air Balloon Festival. This is the first paragraph in the document. We have to select this and then insert the word art. We have to insert a word art, selecting fill black text color 1 outline. So we have selected this, and for inserting the word art, for applying the word art, for applying this recommended word art, recommended or not, or I say that required word art, we have to go to the insert tab and then we have to look for the word art. It is saying that it should be fill black text color 1 outline white background color 1 hard shadow blue accent color 5. Okay, so this is the long name or the long requirement of our word art, but here is the key. Here is the shortcut key. From here we can easily select our word art. It is saying that it should be in the row 3 and the column 2. It should be in the row 3 from here. This is the go to the insert tab, text group, then select this down arrow, row 3 and column 2. Row 3 and column 2. This is the one. This is the required one. Black text color 1 outline by white background color 1 hard shadow blue accent color 5. Blue accent color 5. Yes, this is the one. Blue accent color. Just click that and it will be applied. A word art will be applied to our first paragraph of the document. So next thing we have to do is to change the font size of the object to 24. Select this word art. What's the font size? It's 24. We can change the font size from here, like it's 36, you can do it 24 from here, or you can just directly write here 24 and press enter. There we go. So we are done with step number 2 of our assignment. Now we will move on to the step number 3 of our assignment, and it is saying that wrap the text around word art object as top and bottom. Okay, just select that and you can see the icon here, layout option, and we have to select top and bottom. This is square, tight, throw, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text, but we have to select top and bottom. There we go. Just hit that and it will be applied to our word art object. Format the word art object with the shape style sublet effect blue accent color 5. Okay, blue accent 5, sorry. Shape style. Select the word art object, shape format, and this is the shape style. Shape styles on the leftmost side of our navigation pane, and we have to go to the sublet effect. Colored fill, light, this is sublet effect. And what sublet effect we have to apply? Sublet effect blue accent 5. Sublet effect, sorry, this is sublet effect blue accent 5, blue accent 1, orange accent color 2, gray accent 3, gold accent 4, and this should be the sublet effect blue accent 5. Just hit that and it will be applied to our word art object. Visually center the word art object on the first line of the document. We have to center it. Just select the box, go to the home tab and just hit this thing. It's already centered. You can press Ctrl E and you can see that it's visually on the center line of the first paragraph. So we are done with step number 3 of our document. So now we will move on to the step number 4 of our assignment, and it is saying that you have to select the second paragraph in the document. Which paragraph? This one. See the canon from the top. Second paragraph in the document. This is the one. This is the second paragraph. See the canon from the top. Sorry, you must be careful so that you may not select this word or option like that. You can see this. If you come across this stopper, then you will automatically select that word art. So stay close to that line, and in this way only the second paragraph is selected in our document. The word art object will also be selected as the second line is anchored to the object. Okay, center and bold the text. So it is fine that if the word art object is selected as the line is anchored to the object, the instructor is saying that it is anchored with the object like this. Word art object is also selected. So it's fine that it should be, if it's selected then it's not bad, it's also good, because instructor is asking that it is anchored with the object. Center and bold the text. Center and bold the text. You can center from here, go to the home tab and you can see the alignment. Just press this, or you can use a shortcut like Ctrl E and then apply bold. How to apply the bold? There are two ways. You can press Ctrl B, bold will be applied, or you can just hit this one and bold will be applied to our second paragraph. And then apply a font color of blue accent 5. Okay, what color we have to apply? We have to apply a font color of blue accent 5. Where is the font color? Come to the home tab. In the font group you have to look for the blue accent 5. This is blue gray, blue accent 1. This is blue accent 5. Just hit that and the font color of blue accent 5 will be applied to our assignment. Okay, select the remaining text on the page 1. So these are the two paragraphs and this is the remaining text on the page 1. Okay, beginning with May 28, 29, 2024 and ending with on the festival grounds. Okay, we don't have to select this line, frequently asked question. We should select this from here to here. You can see this. We don't need to select the last line, frequently asked question. In the next steps we will apply the page break and we will move this paragraph to the next page, so it should be formatted very clearly. and change the font of the column text on the page 1 to the Century School book. So we have to change the font. We can change the font from here, or you can just open the font dialog box and then change the font from here. Century School book. Century School book, Barlow, it's Barlow. Century School book, this is the one. Century School book, font, and then line spacing to 1.5. Just hit OK, and you can change the line spacing in the paragraph group of the home tab. Press this one and you can change the line spacing to 1.5. There we go. And insert a page break on page 2 after the sentence ending with, we have to look for this sentence, inflate balloons in the festival ground. This is the point, and here we have to apply. So just click at the end of this paragraph as asked in our instruction. Insert a page break on page 2 after the sentence ending with. So it's ending here and we have to insert the page break. For inserting the page break, we have to go to the layout tab, then in the page setup group you have to open this dialog box and then just hit the page break. Just click that and page break will be inserted. What the page break will do, it will just move the text after this one to the next paragraph, to the next page, sorry. There we go, you can see this. Press the home tab, you can see the section page break. Okay, so step number 5 is also done. Now we will move on to the step number 6 of our assignment. And what it is saying, that you have to check the spelling and grammar. Okay, and the next thing, it is providing us information that word balloonation is not misspelled for the purpose of this document. So we have to ignore this one. First of all, go to the review tab for checking the spellings and then just hit this one. How many spelling errors are there? Delete. Balloonation, it's right. We don't have to change this, we have to ignore this one. Ignore once. Accept the grammatical correction related to the word from in the second line of the document. We have to accept this. Right, correct this one, correct this one, correct this one, correct this one also, correct this one also, correct this one also, correct this one also, correct this one also. This, there we go. There we go. So spelling and grammatical mistakes are now done. We have to ignore the refinements and similarity, insights, and give feedback. We have to ignore these things. So we are done with step number 6 of our assignment, that was about checking the spelling and grammatical mistakes, and we have to ignore this one. Valuation is correct. So next step is step number 7 of our assignment, and it is saying that you have to click or position the insertion point in the third paragraph on page 1. Third paragraph on page 1. First, second one. This is the third one. We have to look for, we can search for this paragraph. My 28. This is the third paragraph. This is the first, this is second, and this is the third paragraph. What we have to do to it and right align it, we have to select this. First of all, select this and go to the home tab, and then right align from here in the paragraph formatting group. Align right, yes, there we go. And the next step, next part of this step is, this is done. We have to select all the column text including the line containing festival dates and apply festival dates. We have to select all of the column text. There we go. And we have to apply a paragraph spacing after of 6 point. Apply a paragraph spacing after of 6 point. There we go. 0 and 6 point, and just click OK. So paragraph spacing after of 6 point is now applied to our column text. There we go. So this was all about step number 7. Now we will move on to the step number 8 of our assignment, and it is saying that click or position the insertion point before the paragraph, beginning as for the step number 8 is click or position the insertion point before the paragraph, beginning with S for kids. We have to search for this paragraph. Just copy this, go to the home tab and then editing group, then click find, and you will find this paragraph in this way, S of kids. So this is the paragraph. Before the paragraph, we have to click before this paragraph, and then we have, what we have to do, we have to insert the balloon image that we have downloaded from our portal. Go to the insert tab, pictures, from this device, and where it is located we have to know that where our balloon image is located. There we go, and click insert. When it is inserted, then size the picture with the width of 1. This is the picture, and we have to change the width from here in the size group picture format, then size group to 1, width to 1. There we go. You can see this, width to 1. Click or press remove background in the adjust group on the picture format. This is the adjust group. When the picture is selected, you have to go to the picture format group, and this is the first group. At chest group, we have to do, we have to press remove background. We have to press remove background, and then press enter. There we go. When we press enter, the background of the picture is removed. How to do this, I will tell you clearly. Again, go to the picture. First of all, select the picture, go to picture tab, then adjust group, and then click the remove background, and then press enter. There we go. The background is removed from our picture. Select the square text wrapping. So this is the thing that we did in the first or second step. When the picture is selected, you can see the option here, layout option, and we have to select the square text wrapping. There we go. When you select that, it will a right paragraph will appear at the right side of the picture. There we go. You can see this. First, there was no paragraph. When we select the square text wrapping, our paragraph appear to the right side of the picture. Best practice is to save your file after each step. It will save you from a lot of trouble. If some kind of misadventure happen, like your battery goes down or something like happen. And a picture style of reflected bevel, white. Okay. And we have to apply a picture style of reflected bevel. This is the picture format, picture style of reflected bevel. What bevel? Bevel white. Reflected bevel black, reflected bevel white. We have to select this, just click that, and the picture style of reflected bevel white is applied to our picture. So I have shown you 8 steps of this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to finish the full course for you, like I can do the simulation exam, simulation trainings, final exam, quizzes, midterms, and I can do the other courses like accounting, finance, mathematics, operation management, mathematics, statistics, English, and all writing stuff. We are the team of experts. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video. Goodbye from PSL Solutions.